In May 1997, 102 Squadron Trisonics of Indian Air Force MiG-25 reconnaissance aircraft made headlines after it was detected in Pakistani airspace. An Indian Air Force (IAF) Mikoyan MiG-25RB Foxbat-B created a furore when the pilot flew faster than Mach 2.8 over Islamabad following a reconnaissance mission into Pakistani airspace. The Foxbat broke the sound barrier while flying at an altitude of around 65,000 feet over Islamabad, otherwise the mission would have remained covert at least to the general public. The sonic boom was heard through most of Islamabad and created quite a ripple. The Pakistan government considered the breaking of the sound barrier as deliberate act, to rub it in the faces of the Pakistani generals that they had no aircraft in its inventory which can match the Foxbat's cruising speed and height of 75,000 feet. However, from one of Pakistani Air Force's forward operating bases, the radar traced the intruder and the F-16 is scrambled. Sources in the PAF said that there was no need to intercept a plane flying at the altitude of 65,000 feet as the Falcons, restricted by their service ceiling of just 55,000 feet, were no match to the Foxbat and never caught up to it, by which time the Foxbat was 125 kilometers away even at its cruise speed and safely in Indian airspace. To the observer on the ground, a sonic boom sounds like a loud repeated thunderclap you normally associate with a thunderstorm. The Pakistani Air Force later issued a statement that an Indian MiG-25 had violated its airspace. Pakistani Foreign Minister Ghuhad Ayub Khan said that the airspace violation by an Indian MiG-25 fighter jet could not be repulsed, because Pakistan did not have any aircraft or missile or other defense capability to intercept aircrafts at 75,000 feet. Pakistan Armed Forces alleged that the aircraft was photographing very sensitive sites. They used this as an excuse to lobby for a hike in the defense budget. Questions were raised in Parliament. India said the intrusion into Pakistani airspace was accidental. This incident highlighted the fact that Pakistan has nothing in its inventory that can shoot down the Foxbat.